Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a patent in the UK, step by step. First, it's crucial to understand what a patent protects. A UK patent safeguards inventions that are new, involve an inventive step, and have industrial application. This protection grants you exclusive rights for up to 20 years, stopping others from making, using, or selling your invention without permission. Remember, your idea must be truly novel and not an obvious development of existing knowledge. Things like artistic creations or business schemes are generally not patentable. Next, meticulous preparation is key. Begin by conducting a comprehensive prior art search to confirm your invention's novelty. This helps avoid wasted effort later. Then, you'll need to draft detailed documents for your application. This includes a full description of your invention, often accompanied by drawings, explaining how it works. Crucially, you'll also write claims, which are precise statements defining the legal boundaries of your invention's protection. A concise abstract summarizing your invention is also required. Once your documents are ready, it's time to file your application with the UK Intellectual Property Office, or IPO. You'll typically use Form 1, which can be completed online. The initial online application fee is £60. You'll also pay a search fee of £150 and a substantive examination fee of £100. While you can apply yourself, many inventors opt for professional help from a patent attorney, which can cost several £1,000s, but significantly increases your chances of success. After filing, the IPO will conduct a search and examination to determine if your invention meets all patentability criteria. Your application is usually published about 18 months after its filing date. The examination process can be lengthy, often taking several years, with a compliance period of 4.5 years from the filing date. If your patent is successfully granted, you'll need to pay annual renewal fees starting from the 4th anniversary of your filing date to maintain protection for up to 20 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.